Listen, listen, listen. So I'm walking through this patch right here, looking for deer sheds, and tell you what, I found one. I was looking, I was doing my research, YouTube, Google, and everything like that. Listen, guys, a gentleman had said, you know, surprisingly not, you do find a lot of deer sheds in this type of patch right here, the grassy area. And look what I just found. You can see it from here. Look at that, dude. That's awesome. That is so cool. That is amazing. Nice 8-pointer. What? I wouldn't say it's from this year. It's not eating or anything. But great. I'm gonna keep looking to see if I find the match, but that's rare if you find both sheds in the same place. But hey, we got another one. Let's go. Hey, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, or just don't even subscribe. Just like the video, dude. We look, rare find, dude. Rare. Let's go. This is they bed right here, like, or it's flat right there, so it looks like they bed, or there's definitely a defined trail right here. Definitely, they definitely come through here. Awesome. Let's think and go. Yes. You know what we do. Stay healthy, happy hiking. One love. Peace.